Hey everyone, my name is Sachin and in today's tutorial we are going to create an animation from free illustration available in Adobe XD using unDraw plugin. If you love Auto-animate in Adobe XD, then this is going to be a very interesting video for you, so please watch till the end. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and like it. So let's start. Open Adobe XD, open the plugin section and open unDraw. There's lots of free awesome illustrations available here. Let's search illustration first. Let's type it here and search. These are the results. This one looks good. Let's download it. Just right click and paste it on your artboard. There you go. Adjust the illustration as you need. Center it, align. Once it's done, let's ungroup the illustration. Right click on it and group. Oh man. Oops, there's so many layers here. But don't worry, let's clean them up. Let's select the layers first which we don't want to animate or we don't want to see in the artboard first. Select them, group them and hide them. Now drag and select the illustration in the artboard, center it. Here we want the search glass and its handle in separate layers. But for that, first we will need to duplicate the search glass. So let's duplicate it. Ctrl D is the shortcut. Hide the duplicated layer first. Double click on the duplicated layer and delete the unwanted points. And adjust the illustration as we need it only for the search glass. Let's hide this. Now let's work on the duplicated layer and delete the upper part of the search glass so that we will remain only with the handle. Adjust the bars to handle the shape of the illustration. It will need some adjustment. Yeah, that's looking good. This shadow we have kept in separate layers because it will help us to understand when we are going to flip it. We are also going to show some sort of a 3D flip in this tutorial. Now just rename the layer which we have created newly here. Let's rename it circle, handle. That's it. This is the shadow. Let's rename it to circle shadow. Now let's group them and name it a circle. Adjust the hand just below the search glass so that it looks like she is holding that search glass. Now let's add more details to our illustration. Let's add eyes, nose and mouth to the illustration. We're looking at bland. Let's make a little smiley, happy face. You can use the paint tool. Double click on the points to make it smooth, to adjust it. Okay. Now let's start the animation. We are almost done with the illustration part. Let's start the animation. Let's select the artboard and duplicate it. Ctrl D is the shortcut. Yeah. Now let's adjust the body position. Let's drag and select the upper part of the body. And rotate it a little bit so that it looks like she is getting ready for the movement to rotate the search glass. Double click the lower part of the body, move the points and just fill in the gaps to adjust the illustration. So the position almost ready. Let's select the search glass or just the position of the search glass also. Yeah, that's done. This artboard is done. Move on to the next. Let's duplicate the artboard again. Let's hide the search glass for now to adjust the body. In this artboard we are going to stretch up the body a little bit. so that it looks like she's stretching up to rotate the search glass. She's pulling herself up to rotate the search glass. Let's adjust the points. Let's hide the circle and the handle. Let's adjust the position of the search glass now. Let's move it a little up. Let's adjust the other hand so that it looks like she's pushing the search glass up to rotate it. Just double click and select the points and adjust them according to your need. That arm is done. Now let's adjust the other arm. Just move the points. Yeah, this is done. This output is done. Let's adjust the search glass here like this so that it looks like started to rotate. Yeah, like this. I'll just duplicate the artboard one more time. Here we will just going to adjust this search glass and flip it just like this so that it looks like it's flipped. For better understanding, we have kept the shadow. You can look at here. This will help us to understand that it is flipped. You can adjust the position of the hand now so that it looks like it has given that push for the rotation of the search glass. Yeah, like this. Little bit of stretch out of the arm. Yeah, this is almost done. Now let's duplicate the second artboard because it's going to the same position. After rotation, it will come back to that same position. So we are not going to create that position of the character. Here we are just going to adjust the search glass. So we will just flip it like this. The shadow helps us to understand that it is flipped, rotated like this. So it's almost done. We are done with our artboards. Now let's wire them up and see how it is working. So select the first artboard. Go to prototype and start wiring. Trigger will be time. Type is auto-animate. Using none. Duration we will keep 0.4 seconds for this to give a smooth transition from first artboard to second artboard. That's why the second artboard. Keep all the settings same except keep the duration 0.2 seconds. We want this movement to be very fast. So let's wire till the second artboard. So let's wire all the artboards. Let's wire the last artboard to the first one, keeping the same setting, just the duration to be 0.4 seconds to ease out the animation again. Now let's check it. Great, this is working right. So this is how you download the free illustration from unDraw plugin in Adobe XD and auto-animate them. Hopefully you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions and comments, please drop in below. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. Take care and see you next time.